Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what to be expected for the day on Swiss franc JPY. So let's start with our trend. We clearly can see that our full trend, the overall trend, Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move, right? Market is trending to the upside. But we want to see what market is currently doing. Since we are a day trader, especially for day traders, this market is ranging within this level. Now, we had this first rejection. Market pushed up, rejected from here. Market dropped to this level, which is our support level. Rejected from here. Market pushed up, which is our resistance level. It's rejected from this resistance level also and dropped. Now that we are currently at this our support level, you all know what next market should be doing. Should be expecting another bullish move. So swing traders, this is the best opportunity or best time for you to open for the buy. In this moment, you should be grabbing about close to 200 pips. In the next 7 to 12 days, we should be expecting Swiss franc to continue to push up, and in the next 7 to 12 days, you should make more than 150 pips. That is a lot of pips to be made. So hoping for the buy, we should be expecting this market to actually push up again. Now let's say on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if markets will push up one more time. Probably push up one more time. Give us a pullback. Then you might want to enter in for the buy, continue the movement to the upside of Swiss franc.